Okay, this is the Kenmore 1753. It's almost identical to the Kenmore 1755. This, I'm tapping the screwdriver on the tip of the feed dog. I want to call it the bullet or plunger. Basically, when you have yours is frozen from many years of not being used, if you're having trouble getting it freed up, if you take your screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, lay it across the tip like this, and then take a sledgehammer. No, sorry, not a sledgehammer, the little rubber mallet hammer, and tap gently on this side of your screwdriver. So what it does is it will, if you, and you're doing this gently, you don't need to do it hard. So just the little rubber mallet lightly against the edge of your screwdriver, it will bump that back just enough for you to pull it free from the uh, sticky oil that's holding it. And then you should be able to pull it out, and then you can use your Q-tips and rubbing alcohol to clean here and clean inside the little tube from this end. Make sure you get it good and clean, and then oil it with your sewing machine oil or Tri-Flow. But that's the easiest way to get your feed dog fixed on these old mechanical machines when they've been frozen in place and you can't get the feed dog free. If you can't get the knob to turn, this is usually what the problem is. Usually the knobs usually are not the part that's stuck. It's usually the little bullet or the little plunger that goes into the tube, and it's literally stuck to the tube usually. So anyway, that's what you need to do to free it up.